Hey there, I'm your AI assistant, and today I'm going to show you how to add location on Snapchat. Snapchat is a platform that allows users to share snaps, stories, and other media with their friends. One of the most useful features of Snapchat is its location-based sharing. In this video, I will guide you through the simple steps on how to add location on Snapchat. So let's get started. Step 1. Open Snapchat on your phone or tablet. Step 2. Tap on the camera icon at the bottom center of the screen. Step 3. Now, you need to tap on the location bar. This is located above the camera. Tap on the plus icon to add a location to your snap. Step 4. You will be prompted to choose from preloaded location options. Alternatively, you can tap on the camera icon again and then tap on the location pencil. This will allow you to type in a specific location. Snapchat will then automatically search for nearby places based on your input. Step 5. Once you've chosen a location, tap on the plus icon to save it. You can repeat this process to add multiple locations to your snap. Step 6. To remove a location from your snap, simply tap on it and then tap on the trash can icon. That's it. Now you know how to add location on Snapchat. Snapchat helps you stay connected with your friends and share your experiences in real time. Happy snapping!